Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. The Sports Medicine Association of Jamaica is expressing disappointment over the lack of numbers at its annual periodic health examination held at the Mount Alvernia High School last Saturday. 10 high schools were invited to bring 10 athletes each, where echocardiogram, musculoskeletal flexibility and strength testing would have been conducted.
We call this a periodic health evaluation simply because we do a thorough assessment of student athletes, a physical assessment, medical assessment, which includes echocardiogram. All this, approximately $25,000 worth of medical exam, is actually free for the students who participate. The Jamaica Association of Sports Medicine conducts these periodic health evaluations in each county.
What was expected to have 100 athletes in attendance turned out to be only 15.
We have been here before and we have implored our coaches and our schools to participate, where we really want to make sure that our student athletes are in the best health care ever.